HideMyAss is one of the more popular VPN services out there. But before you jump into buying, here are 12 things you absolutely need to know about it. Some of these might make you reconsider your decision, while others might just confirm that it's a solid choice. Either way, stay tuned till the end, as we'll also recommend a VPN solution that could be a better fit. First thing to know is the global server coverage. HideMyAss offers over 1,000 servers in 190 plus countries, which puts it ahead of many competitors in terms of global reach. If you're looking for a VPN that works just about anywhere, this is a great selling point. Many VPNs like NordVPN or ExpressVPN may have more servers, but HideMyAss is still one of the few offering this level of global coverage. Next thing to consider is speed. While HideMyAss does provide decent speeds, it's not always as fast as other leading VPNs like ExpressVPN or CyberGhost. It can still handle most streaming and browsing activities just fine, but heavy downloaders or gamers might want to think twice. The third thing is privacy and security. HideMyAss has a no logs policy, which is great for privacy. However, keep in mind that it's based in the UK, part of the Five Eyes Intelligence Sharing Alliance. This means that while it might not store your data, it could be forced to hand it over to the government if requested, unlike some VPNs that are based in more privacy-friendly jurisdictions. Next, let's talk about the user interface. HideMyAss has a clean, easy-to-use interface that's great for beginners. You won't find anything too complicated here, and it's fairly intuitive to set up. That said, power users might find the options a bit limited compared to other VPNs like NordVPN, which offers more advanced settings and features. The fifth thing is the pricing. HideMyAss isn't the cheapest VPN on the market, especially when compared to budget options like Surfshark or private internet access. However, they do offer decent value for the features they provide, and you can often find promotions that make it more affordable. The sixth thing to keep in mind is streaming. HideMyAss does work with major streaming platforms like Netflix and BBC iPlayer, but it's not as reliable with geo-restricted content as other VPNs. If unblocking streaming content is a priority, you may want to check out a service like ExpressVPN or CyberGhost. Now let's talk about the fourth thing, which is customer support. HideMyAss offers 24/7 live chat support, which is a big plus. However, their support team can sometimes be a little slow to respond, especially compared to the faster, more efficient support of other providers like NordVPN. The eighth thing is the number of simultaneous connections. With HideMyAss, you can connect up to 5 devices at once. This is pretty standard, but it's worth noting that some competitors, like Surfshark, allow unlimited device connections, which could be a deal breaker for those with many devices. The ninth thing you need to know is that HideMyAss has apps for almost all platforms, including Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. However, if you're a Linux user or need compatibility with smart TVs and routers, you might want to check out a service like NordVPN, which offers more flexibility. The 10th point is how it handles torrenting. HideMyAss allows P2P traffic on its servers, but it's important to note that it doesn't have dedicated servers for torrenting. If you need the best torrenting experience, a service like CyberGhost might be more suited for you. Now, the 11th thing to mention is its reliability. While HideMyAss is generally stable, some users report issues with inconsistent connections, particularly on mobile devices. This is less of an issue with VPNs like ExpressVPN, which are known for their solid performance. Finally, we get to the last thing. HideMyAss offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you're not happy with the service, you can always get your money back. This gives you peace of mind when trying out the service, though keep in mind that other providers like NordVPN offer longer trial periods in some regions. So, is HideMyAss a good option? Absolutely. It offers strong server coverage, decent speeds, and solid security features, making it a great choice for many users. However, if you want an even better option that could give you faster speeds, more reliable streaming, and better privacy protection, check out our recommended solution. You can try